Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the markets are doing this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers in trade. So as of now, when you're looking at the benchmark indices, both the Sensex and the Nifty trading in the red, they're trading around the day's low as well. And obviously, when you look at it, UBL also in individual stocks is one of the stocks which has been in focus as well. Today, the market seemed to be a bit of a volatile session. As of now, it's almost flattish with a negative bias when you look at the benchmark indices. While talking about the broader markets, the Nifty mid-cap and the small-cap surely performing better than the benchmark indices, and they're trading in the green as of now. Now, let's look at the individual sectors which have been doing well and which are actually dragging the markets this afternoon. So, when you look at the individual sector-wise, we have top gainer sector is PSU banks, which is doing quite well in trade. Other than that, when you look at other sectors, seems like a bit of a pressure coming in for a few sectors as well. And surely we are keeping focus on PSU banks, which have been gaining. Auto also has been doing quite well today in trade. Other than that, sectors, some of the sectors not doing quite well. IT, energy are down in trade as well, trading on the negative side. PSU banks, autos, realty trading on the positive side. So surely these are the sectors which have been active in trade today. Now, individual stock movers. So let's start with IDBI Bank. The company's stock price has advanced as much as 2.9% to 3% in trade after the federal government has initiated the bids to appoint transaction as well as legal advisors for the proposed strategic divestment of the lender, and the deadline is now set at July 13th. So surely keeping focus on the stock today, and it's up as much as 2 to 3% in trade. ITI also is buzzing in trade. It's up as much as 4% in trade after a solid set of numbers is reported by the company. The Q for profits of the company have jumped multifold to 200 crores from previously 32 crores. Revenues jumped by 94.7% as well. Moving forward, we do have Amber Enterprises also, which is in focus today. It's up as much as 2% in trade after Goldman Sachs has actually initiated a buy on the stock with a coverage and a buy stance on the stock with a target price of 3,950 rupees per share. They believe that, this market, already Amber is a leader in the ODM space in air conditioners as well, and they see a lot of opportunities coming in for the electronic manufacturing service space as well. And Amber could be surely a beneficiary coming in for the PLI scheme, as well as, coupled with export opportunities, growth prospects quite positive for Amber Enterprises, and that's why they're initiating coverage on the stock. We do have Bharat Electronics also, which is in focus. It's up as much as 2% after its earnings. An upbeat set of numbers given by the company, a strong performance where the profits have jumped by 30.7%, revenues have risen by 18% as well. So all in all, a good set of numbers coming in over there. Hero Motocorp also in focus, up as much as 2% after the company says that it will be increasing the prices of motorcycles and scooters by up to 3,000 rupees starting from July, and that will be partially mainly to offset the increase in raw material prices, which they've seen the commodity prices. Now, we do have Jet Airways also, which is actually locked in upper circuit on persistent demand. Sentiment remains upbeat, especially after the NCLT yesterday said that they have approved the resolution plan for the consortium or resolution plan by the consortium of Carl Rock Capital as well. So that is keeping the stock in focus. Other than that, among the losers, we do have Sobha, which is down as much as 3% after a weak set of numbers reported by the company, where the profits have jumped by 34%. Even Aster DM Healthcare is down 3% in trade after a weak quarterly set of numbers, where the profits have fallen by 20%. So pressure building in on these stocks, and surely PNB Housing is also in focus, down as much as 5% on the back of certain news flows coming in. So these are the top losers and gainers in trade this afternoon.